SB 378. Distinguished senators will recall that the bill was read the first time in this chamber on Thursday, 14th March 2024. Mr. President, with your permission, I move, in moving that the bill be read a second time, Mr. President, I seek your permission to present the lead debate.
You may proceed.
Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, it is my honor and privilege to lead the debate on the amendment of the Money Laundering Prevention and Prohibition Bill 2024. Mr. President and distinguished colleagues, the bill seeks to cure the deficiencies in the MLPPA 2022 to meet the Financial Action Task Force International Cooperation Review Group, known as the ICRG, requirements for the effective implementation of the AML-CFT measures. And distinguished colleagues, I also must add the fact that this, as well as the bill that we just finished considering for second reading, are bills coming from NFIU aimed at ensuring that Nigeria remains or complies with global best practice standard signed by other treaty nations. The bill was read the first time in the Senate on Thursday, 14th March 2024. The Money Laundering Prevention and Prohibition Bill 2024 remains an important legislation in the anti-money laundering, counter-terrorism financing regime in Nigeria. Hence, the need to update it to ensure operational and implementational integrity and meet the Financial Action Task Force standards cannot be overemphasized. The FATF continually identifies and reviews jurisdictions with strategic anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing deficiencies that present a risk to the international financial system and closely monitors their progress. The FATF's International Cooperation Review Group oversees the process. The main objectives of the bill are, amongst others, to grant the Nigerian Customs Service and other competent authorities the power to request and obtain further information upon discovering false declaration, cooperate with its foreign counterparts, and keep declaration information to facilitate international cooperation. Also, to grant competent authorities to restrain currency or bearers' negotiable instruments to ascertain whether evidence of money laundering may be found, to mandate competent authorities to put safeguards to ensure proper use of declaration information, to extend the customer due diligence measures applicable to PEPs, meaning politically exposed persons, to their family members and close associates, to provide an upper threshold for reporting suspicious transactions and to expand the scope of matters that reporting entities can consider. This will ensure prompt reportage, to extend the protection accorded to FIs to situations where the crime is unknown, regardless of whether it actually occurred, and to prohibit tipping off by FIs and DNFBPs. And finally, to mandate competent authorities to maintain comprehensive, relevant AML/CFT statistics, establish guidelines and provide feedback to financial institutions and designated non-financial businesses and professions. to separate unrelated predicate offenses as specified by the FATF definition of predicate crime. I therefore urge my distinguished colleagues to support this bill for the second reading. I thank you.
Anna Adamo North. I rise to support the second reading of this bill. Crime in general and money laundering in particular tend to be international in nature. And for us to fight it appropriately, we need to amend our laws, strengthen them, so that we can also be considered internationally as people who fight money laundering. And with that, I support very strongly, Mr. President, that we read this bill for the second time.
Thank you very much. As I said, it's a very bring the attitude of the crime of money laundering to the barest minimum in the country. Very straightforward. So those in favor that the bill be read the second time, please say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Clerk of the Senate.
And Prevention of Money Laundering in Nigeria and for related matters 2024, second reading.
A bill for an act to amend the Money Laundering Prevention and Prohibition Act number 11 of 2011 to include Nigerian Financial Intelligence Unit and the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency in the surveillance and prevention of money laundering in Nigeria and for related matters 2024 second reading. Thank you. Let me commend the leader of the Senate and all those that contribute to the debate. Yeah, I will do that. First of all, the leader for sponsoring this bill, which is going to help to check the menace of money laundering, which is inimical to our economy. It will help in actually checking that crime. And also thank those who contributed to the debate, or Senator Johanna, Reverend Johanna, who actually contributed, who seconded and also contributed. It's in this respect that the bill is referred to the Committee on Anti-Corruption and Financial Crime to report back within 4 weeks. The leader of the Senate.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.